I'm lounging in a lounge, having big boy discussions. Just making sure my kids ain't gotta resort to hustling. I'm chilling on resorts.
Supplements for like a couple of different reasons. One, supplements, when your customers buy them, they have to buy it again the next month.
Yes.
Because they take them, right? They take, if you're selling like vitamin D pills or like vitamin pills, multivitamins, when they take the vitamins, they have to get more the next month. So that means you have a customer that's gonna keep buying your shit.
Exactly. So are you like, do you have a subscription set up?
Yeah. So they could buy it one time or they could buy it where it refills every single month. Another great reason that supplements is good, and like these are key important, this is like real high level business stuff. This is key important for any business. Margins are high. Whereas like these headphones, right? It might cost $10 to make them. You might sell them for $25.
Right.
Solid, whatever. Supplements, you can get a bottle for like, if you have your manufacturing on lock, on point, you can get a bottle for $5, sell it for $60. It's fucking stupid. So now imagine that. You have subscriptions, stupid high margins. Your multiplier is like crazy high. So like when I looked at it, it was like 4 or 5. So if this company is worth $1 million already, it's been a year. If I can get the company to do $20 million in revenue in a year, obviously not an easy task, but if I can get a company to do $20 million in revenue, I'll sell that bitch for $100 million. Yeah.
That's smart. That's smart as fuck.
That's the master plan.